If anytime you want to go into an existing client, we can click anywhere on this field right here. If you wanted to go directly into the authorizations, which we'll cover in a little bit, you can click right on the little authorizations icon. But let's just click on our client. We're going to go into the same field we just looked at when we were adding a new client. So obviously you're going to have your biographic information in here. Make sure we put that into the system. Correspondence email, this is going to be the main email address of the family. If you need to add more than one email address because maybe mom and dad are separated or grandparents are involved, you absolutely can do that. Just come down here, add additional email addresses, and then separate them by a comma. We do have some external software that we can connect to, and we've done that for clients. And so this is where we would put that information in. If you're using something like that, our implementation team will work with you to make sure that all that information is correct within the system. From there, we can go to treatment locations. And these are home treatment locations. You can add as many treatment locations as you would like for a client. It's very simple to do that. We'll just click Add Treatment Location. You can go ahead, put that information into the system, and then save that treatment location, okay? If we want to go back to treatment locations and look at the existing stuff in here, we can do that as well. And if we ever needed to edit anything because maybe they moved or whatever, just click on the pencil icon. That will take you in and allow you to edit any of this information that's there within the system, okay? Next sub-tab we're going to move to is the guarantor. The guarantors is going to be probably the family's information that's in the system. What is their group number for the insurance? Do we need to use that for insurance? And then what's the description? Put that information in there and then save it within our system, and it will be saved there for you. Related files. This is where you can go and upload any sort of files specific to this client right here. So for instance, if you wanted to save a copy of the front and the back of the insurance card that you've scanned for your client, easily do it, save it as a PDF, come down here, say you want to add a document, type the description of the document that you want to save, so you could write insurance card, and then go ahead and choose that file from your computer, upload it, and it will save it there for you. So once you choose that file, then just click upload, and it will save all of that information in there for you. Very, very simple to do this in our system, and again, you can store anything specific to this client that you want within the system. Service Coordinator tab. A lot of times people use this if they have another contact for the client. Maybe they have a school contract or something like that. So they'll put the information in of that coordinator for like the school system, so that could be saved within the system. And then any information you put in there, obviously just click the Save button. It will save for you. And then the Others tab. This is a customized field that we can do for you. So if there's some other custom things that you want within the system, you'll work with our dev team, even sales, and we'll go ahead and we'll put this information into the system for you, and you can have a bunch of different custom tabs for yourself in here. That's pretty much it to add a new client or edit an existing one to change that information. The next thing that we would want to look at is adding a new authorization or editing an existing one. So let's just go into existing. We're going to